In advance, prepare the contamination solution by making 1 part 5% chlorine bleach to 9 parts of water to make 0.5% chlorine solution. Then change the solution each day or whenever the solution is contaminated or cloudy. Prior to delivery, check room temperature, then eliminated air draft, then ask woman if she is comfortable in the semi-upright position. Then allow the mother to have oral fluids and light snacks. Then ensure the woman's privacy. Arrange all instruments or tools in linear sequence. Then discuss care in the first hours. Then check resuscitation area and equipment. Okay, for the perineal bulging, if the woman is ready for the delivery, perform proper hand washing, then put on 2 pairs of sterile gloves if solitary birth attendant. Then no routine episiotomy or fundal pressure should be done. Okay, during delivery, support the perineum of the mother with controlled delivery of the head.
Okay, Mami. Paanakin na po kita. Komportable po kayo ba sa pwesto ninyo? Gusto niyo po bang uminom or kumain? Okay po, sige po. Sige po, pag nakaramdam po kayo ng paghilab or pagtigas ng tiyan, isabay niyo po ang pag-iri ninyo. Sige po. Check ko po. Ayan na po, si baby, malapit na po. Sige po, iri pa po. Sige po, Mami, iri lang po. Push lang po, push. Ayan na po si baby, malapit na po. Ayan na po si baby. Baby out, 5:30. Female. Baby girl.
Okay, after newborn was delivered, dried thoroughly and check breathing of the baby. Then assist skin-to-skin contact.
Lagyan ko po ng bonnet si baby. Ayan. Para po, hindi mo ginawin si baby, skin-to-skin contact po tayo. And Mami, tuturukan ko po kayo ng oxytocin para po mag-contract ang inyong uterus.
After 1 to 3 minutes, give the mother oxytocin IM.
Sige po, Mami. Relax na lang po kayo, Mami.
And then, control traction of cord of the
relax
mother
lang
with
po.
counter traction.
Ilalabas na po natin ng inyong placenta or inunan. Sige po, Mami. Relax lang po.
Massage uterus of the mother gently.
Placenta out, 5:35.
Then examine birth canal for laceration, bleeding, and examine the placenta and membranes to avoid bleeding. Then remove soiled pair of gloves.
Relax lang po, Mami.
Felt forecord pulsations, then
Mami,
wait
relax lang po
until
kayo,
it
Mami,
stops
ha?
to avoid anemia.
Hindi pong ihirin.
Clamp the cord 2
Okay na po.
centimeters
Lalabas
from
na
the
po si
base,
baby.
then cut the
Lalabas
cord
natin po ang
5
inunan ni
centimeters
baby.
from the base.
Mami, massage lang po.
Then return the baby to prone position.
Okay, Mami, pag nakakaramdam na po ng gutom
Okay, for
si
the
baby
15 to 90
gusto na
minutes,
pong dumede, pwede niyo na po
support
siyang
the first
padedehin.
full breastfeed, then monitor the mother every 15 minutes.
Okay po,
Then
Mami.
continue
Ayan,
uterine
gutom na po si
massage
baby.
of the mother,
Ayan,
then
maya-maya po,
eye care,
tuturuan ko na po siya
and
ng
then
vitamin K
thorough
and
physical
heparin.
exam of the baby, then injection of vitamin K and hepatitis B intramuscular on
Maya-maya
both
din po, lalagyan ko po
thighs,
siya ng
left and right, then
eye
injection of
ointment.
BCG if available, intradermal on the left or right deltoid.
Mami, wait lang po kunin ko po muna si baby, lalagyan ko po ng eye ointment. Ano po, Mami? Sige po, pag gusto pong dumede, padedehin nyo lang po, Mami. Ayan, relax na po kayo, Mami. Congratulations
And then
po.
transport the mother and her baby to room together.
Mami, ito na po yung baby nyo. Congratulations po.
For more than
Padedehin
6
nyo lang po ng
hours,
padedehin.
encourage
para po
the
lumakas
mother
po yung
for
inyong
breastfeeding, then done bathing. Then complete all the records.
Thank you.